Hello, welcome back to Spy Money. Talking about instrument list, how you use them, how do you get them into your list over here. So, you want all of this in here. And the easiest way to do it is to make a list. You go up to Tools, click on Instrument List, and you want to click on Futures or whatever you're working with. But Futures is what I work with, so you can see that I have a lot of different ones in here. And how you add them is you just click on Add, and then you just type in what you're looking for. So if you're looking for ES, you would look for ES Future, and then when you click on that, mine will give an error because I've already got it in there. But if you found one that you didn't have, then you could do it. If you don't want any of these in here, then you can go ahead and just click delete, like you click on that one, and you can remove it or whichever. So adding these instrument lists will help you when you're over here and you're trying to put different ones. Now you can see I have a thumbtack on these and then not on these. Now if you want them to be in your regular trading, which NG, I could take that one off and take the Russell because I don't really trade those much, but they're still down here, as far as when you type it in, but now you can't see those. Okay, so you got your NG there or your RS here, which is your Russell, but you don't see them at the top. So if it's something that you don't normally trade, like I don't normally trade crude oil, and I don't normally trade the micros, and so I can go ahead and change these to where the ones I normally trade are here at the top, and these are the ones I trade. So then the others will be down here. But if you want your MES to be up there, you can pin it, and then it will stay at the top. If you want your like 6E, then you would pin it, and it would stay above these others. So that's how you would utilize those. And another thing is if you're just trying to find one, say you don't want the drop down menu or better typer, you can just type in NQ and hit that, and then it will pull up. Actually, you got to hit NQ, and then you got to come down to future, and then it will pull up the right one. If you're doing one, I'm just trying to think of, let's see here, if I do 6, do say an Australian dollar, we don't have that pulled up, but if you click on that, it'll automatically put in the correct contract that's trading right now and all that, and it'll be there. So you can type it on demand here, but you want to definitely go ahead and have your pinned ones. So if you go ahead and add them to your instrument list and then you pin them, then it'll make it better for you. So that's how you use those.